Hey everyone, I'm Mikaela, and welcome to How to Improve Your Energy Naturally. First off, I would like to introduce myself for those watching who might not know. My name's Mikaela Cradit. I've been working at the Nutritional Healing Center for almost 3 years now, hard to believe. I'm a health coach and a diet advisor, so I make custom meal plans for anybody trying to better their health at all. I find recipes for them and just work with them one-on-one. So today, I want to help you guys navigate the ins and outs of kind of boosting your energy in the natural way. I often hear how people are just always tired and they've just accepted that they're just always going to be fatigued and they're just always on the go. So I just want to help people do that the healthy way, if you will. So let's go ahead and get started. So in this class here, we're going to learn a couple common supplements that can help boost your energy that you might already have in your supplement cabinet at home. Also, we're going to focus on foods that can increase your energy and some things to do throughout your day that is better than turning to technically the worst thing possible, in my opinion, which is those sugar filled energy drinks that you might see here at the bottom of the screen. So, we're going to try and avoid that. So first off, just a couple fun facts, a few things you might not know about the body's energy. So first off, the brain uses most of the body's energy, about 20%, and muscles also use almost 20% of the energy in your body every day. So it's really important to feed your brain and exercise your muscles to keep your energy going. Also, there are four different types of energy that your body uses. So there's mechanical, which kind of helps your muscles know how to move and when to move. Um, Chemical would be what breaks down foods in your body. Thermal energy is what keeps your temperature stable. And then lastly, we have electrical energy, which is kind of what tells your body to either wave at someone or smile at someone. So it's those connections from the brain to your muscles telling each other what to do and when to do it. So there's a lot going on in your body that you don't even realize throughout the day that's keeping you going, which is also why people find that they're so fatigued. So a couple things. One thing that's super simple is drinking water. So the only nutrient that it's been shown to enhance performance during activities is water. So if you're starting to feel, a decrease in your energy, try water first. If anything, it's not going to hurt you, and water can be super energizing. So a great thing to note. In other words, stop resorting to Gatorade or other pricey sports drinks. If you can just drink water to stay fueled, that is the best thing possible. Um, a couple of foods known to increase bodily energy. So, first off, my favorite being avocados. These are huge. They have healthy fats in them, so they feed your brain basically. Um, so starting your day with some avocado toast or having that for breakfast or having that as you start to notice a decrease in your energy can be really helpful, because your brain just might be tired and it might just need some support. Another thing is eggs. So since they're so high in protein and so high in fat, when you start to feel sluggish, eating like a hard boiled egg or a scrambled egg can be really helpful. It just helps to fuel you and get you through that midday crash that a lot of people talk about. Another thing is fish. So, fish is full of B vitamins, which is known to boost your energy, but also it has a lot of fatty acids. So, it's a really important part of a healthy diet to try and incorporate some fish once in a while. And lastly, like we know from the last slide, and I'll probably keep mentioning it, is water. So, drinking water, the simplest, best thing that you can do for your body to increase energy levels. All right, so a couple ideas to try if you're noticing a decrease in your energy. So rather than just foods or supplements, what can I actually do through my day to increase energy? So, number one, buying a wake up light, it's called. You can find these on Amazon, and basically they turn on slowly as you want to wake up rather than startling yourself with an alarm. So, for a lot of people, if you're waking yourself with an alarm out of a deep sleep, it's really hard to recover from that. Whereas if you buy a wake up light and it gradually turns on, it can really help to wake your body slowly and kind of ease you into that morning routine of yours. Another thing is going on a nightly walk. So, going outside and getting some fresh air and easing your mind after a really long day can be very beneficial and just help to calm you down right before going to bed. It's a little harder in Michigan right now because it's very cold at night, but still, just keeping that in mind as an idea is great. getting more restful sleep. So, a really good thing would be putting electronics away at least an hour before you plan to lay down, letting your eyes adjust to the darkness and the not bright light right in your face is a really, really good idea. And then lastly, but definitely not least, is avoiding carbs. So carbs are exactly what cause that notorious midday crash that people talk about. A lot of times people will eat carbs for lunch, like a sandwich or something, and that's just their normal. And then an hour or two later, they are just done for the day. They just feel like they can't keep going. So avoiding carbs and, like I had said before, resorting to maybe a hard boiled egg before a sandwich is just one idea and one example, but it can make a huge difference. All right, so a couple common supplements that you might already have in your medicine cabinet to boost energy. So B vitamins, like I mentioned, for example, Cataplex B Core, and inositol. These are standard process supplements that are very popular at our office that can really boost your energy. And they're definitely not going to hurt. It's just a good idea. Another one being Mito ATP. So this is a liquid cell core product, and it kind of supercharges your energy at a cellular level. So this is a really good one, a little bit more powerful, and one of our favorites at the office. And then another really good idea is brain support. So something like Super EFF or Cataplex G, those are also both standard process, really good supplements. They basically feed your brain. And as we know from the previous slides, feeding your brain is very important to get you through your day. So if you think that one of these might be a good fit for you, you can always ask your practitioner at your next nutrition visit if they could test you on this and see if what's right for your body. These are literally only a couple. There are so many that could be beneficial for your energy. All right, so these are a couple of my resources. This is one of the shorter lectures that we've had, but I just want to thank you for tuning into my virtual seminar. As usual, I, of course, learned the most from the practitioners at the office, but I just wanted to kind of relay the information that I've learned. I actually have been using these tips myself the past couple days. I'm getting over a cold, so these have actually helped me kind of push through filming this and get me the energy that I need to get through my last couple days. So at least I know they work a little bit. Try them, try a couple, try to just incorporate them into your day and let me know how you like it. If you'd like to schedule an appointment with me, then feel free to call us or email us. We are here to help you, and we hope to be hearing from you soon. Thanks again, and have a great night.